Oh man, it's been so long that I'm not even sure if I know how to vlog anymore. Oh man. Alright guys, so for the purpose of this motovlog here is to provide my viewers and my subscribers what's going on around my life and the channel itself and where we're going in the near future. So with that said, let's turn on the engine, let's go for a ride. And of course, I need fuel. Just hit 10,000 kilometers today, baby! Whew! Took a while. Shows how much I don't ride, I guess. Alright, let's get going. Alright, so let's start off with things that's happened in my life. Well, it's been pretty busy couple months, and it mostly has to do with the stuff that's happening personally for me. Nothing serious or anything like that, but yeah, I've been busy. And unfortunately, the channel has been affected by that a little bit because, as you notice, you haven't seen many of my motorcycle review videos or motovlogs like this for a long time. That doesn't mean I wasn't riding or anything like that, but I did not have the energy to motovlog or do stuff like this just because I was running out of creative juices, dealing with some other stuff. But I am slowly getting back into it, and I can tell you I have a lot in store for you guys for the future content, and I'm going to share some of the ideas with you. And as always, beautiful day here in Victoria, BC. Love living on the West Coast. So lately you guys probably noticed that I've been uploading a lot of crash analysis and crash review videos, and yeah, my channel's been taking a little bit of a viewership hit because it's so different than some of the content I provided previously, which was mostly revolving around motorcycle reviews or news about Harley Davidson motorcycles. But I am still going to continue and improve on the motorcycle crash review and analysis videos because I believe that I need to add some value on YouTube. And for me, providing value is to provide these analysis videos for you guys because I have over 20 years of driving experience with a very clean record. So it's easy for me to analyze what went wrong on these crash videos, even though I consider myself as a new rider or beginner rider since I started learning how to ride 2 years ago. But in the sense of analyzing what went wrong in some of these crash videos, I think I have a pretty good grip on it. So hopefully some of you guys are enjoying that content, and if you have any suggestions on how to improve it, let me know in the comments or send me a DM on Instagram, because it does help the channel a lot in terms of how I should make videos for you guys to enjoy as a viewer. Now that doesn't mean I'm going to stop doing motorcycle reviews or other type of series that I have started on the channel. I am approaching the 2nd year mark of owning the Iron 883, so you will see a 2-year owner's review of that coming up in the next few weeks. As well, I will be going back to Barnes Harley Davidson dealership to do some motorcycle reviews, and in the meantime I was actually able to make more motorcycle friends who are willing to let me ride their motorcycle for the first time. So I really appreciate the local riding community who are open to the idea of letting some stranger like myself getting on their bike and providing honest thoughts about their bikes. Now, I'll also continue on with the Ride and Dine series, even though it's not the most popular, but honestly, there are a few viewers out there who are thinking about traveling to Victoria or Vancouver Island, or just curious on what's around here and that is a good place to ride and dine. There's going to be also a new mod that I'm going to be putting on my Iron 883. It's not going to be something that you can buy off the shelf, but it is something that you can attempt on your own. And I'll be covering this in my 2-year review, but just as a sneak peek, it involves 250 caliber ammo boxes that will eventually go on the back of my Iron 883. And I'm going to be vlogging about that experience and that whole process as I create this custom modification with my buddy Josh. So you can look forward to that if you are interested on customized Sportsters. And yeah, it seemed like a lot of you guys enjoyed my interview style review with Jamie on his KTM 990R. And I have a list of interesting riders out there with their motorcycle that are willing to be interviewed for the channel. And I will be doing that as I can fit them in my schedule or as I can fit myself in their schedule. So that's basically it. I am going to continue on with this channel for the 3rd season, of course, because I owe it to my viewers. But if you are still watching this and you haven't subscribed yet, please do help me out by subscribing if you have been enjoying my content thus far. With that said, ride safe, ride prepared, ride on. Peace.